going from music to finding frogs outside in the field to really loving the computer and programming and really doing data analysis and data science. And that love developed all the way from my master's through now through my PhD. It's the thing that gets me up in the morning. I'm Connor French. I'm a 6-year PhD candidate. I'm in the biology department in the Ecology, Evolution, and Behavior subprogram. You know, I started out wanting to pursue music. I realized that that's not what I wanted. I wasn't sure of my next step, but I knew that I loved frogs and might seem a little out of the box, but if you ask anyone who knew me from my childhood, that's one of the first things they'd tell you. I fell in love with science and went from, okay, I love this organism, to I love asking these questions and answering things that I'm curious about. When I was a master's student, I got to study poison dart frogs in Peru and did my first independent field season where I linked up with a field assistant in Peru and really got to navigate that myself as the researcher and do a cool international project. The first chapter in my dissertation, I was fortunate to get it published, and that work, even though it's a chapter in my dissertation, it was a huge collaborative effort with 11 co-authors who spanned almost just as many countries and states. We all lended our own expertise to tackle this huge question, which was, what does insect genetic diversity look like across the globe? You know, through this whole path, there's been a lot of uncertainty. I think, you know, listening to myself and trusting myself pointed me towards some of the best experiences of, you know, my academic and professional career. I think there are a lot of positions in industry that allow me to, you know, do data science and do data analytics as my day-to-day, and really take my love of collaboration that's kind of kept me through my entire career trajectory and apply that to working with stakeholders and working with a diversity of people. Yeah, that's kind of what's sort of led me through this path that at times seems disjointed, but really has this, you know, love and feeling of collaboration and doing what I'm passionate about.